Ready for some hiking?
Watch this waterfall.
Here we go. Exploring some waterfalls, Puerto Rico. Rain party.
We've made it to shore.
Here at the Faro de Cabo Rojo. Hike up to the lighthouse. Great little anchorage right on the beach. Nice winds and great views.
Wow, this is cool. And all these seashells are probably so cool. Woo! Long ways down.
Here we find the lion, the king of the jungle. Oh, hey, look, it's Joe Dirt.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Heading to our anchorage in the bioluminescent bay. Just got done diving and snorkeling on the reef. Lots and lots of free mooring balls over here that you can stay at for up to 10 days at a time. The one we picked up was great, and we actually rafted Legacy and Moonshadow together. Pulling into bioluminescent bay. Gets pretty shallow in here. What's the depth?
6 feet, bro.
Yeah, I can definitely see the bottom right there. Looks like it's getting deeper right here. It's always so nerve-wracking coming into an anchorage. We have technically a 4.5 foot draft. Looks like you need to go well to the starboard of that because I see a shoaling around it. You can see the waves breaking. And you can tell there's lots of shoaling here. I see rocks. If you don't feel comfortable, turn back. I see lots of rocks. Looks like it's getting deeper again. Uh-oh. You stuck?
Yeah.
Ah, shit. Thank you, Google Maps, because our chart plotter and Navionics, sorry to say, both failed. And we have a B&G Vulcan. Hey, they're moving. So many pelicans here in the Phosphorescence Bay. Prior to anchoring here, we were told that it was allowed. However, due to the fact that it is actually a nature reserve, we do not recommend anyone to anchor in here. Also, with our 4.3 foot draft, it was even hard for us to get in, and our buddy boat Legacy could not because they actually got stuck on the way. Because of this experience, we suggest anchoring outside of the bio bay and just taking the dinghy in at night to make sure you do not miss visiting this beautiful spot. Also, if you are visiting by land, the local Puerto Ricans offer tours inside the bio bay each and every night. Since this bioluminescence is very hard to capture on camera, we recommend even more you going and seeing it for yourself. Early morning delivery. I had the pleasure of hosting Matan last night. And now it's time for him to get off our boat.
Thank you. Sounds like crude oil.
Just kidding, you can come back anytime.
Like a barrel of crude oil, dude. I'll be back soon.
Now we are leaving the bio bay. We just cut through that reef. And we're on our way back out. So that way we can tack and eventually get up 22 nautical miles over to Ponce. And we on a sick leave. For anyone sailing the south coast of Puerto Rico, we also recommend leaving early in the day before the trade winds pick up and gust very heavily. Just trying to take a nap downstairs. I literally got just splashed by 2 waves. Our whole bed's soaked. The hatch came out right open. Anchored right out about 6 nautical miles west of Ponce. So this is technically still the Bahia de Ponce, but it's not like their main bay. Into the mangrove. There's a wicked current in here.
Looking for dinner.
So messed up how you can come to the most remote places on Earth where nobody lives, yet you will find plastic and dead birds full of plastic. is sweet.
Caja de muerto. Over there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see it. It's like shaped like a body laying down.
Que yo por ella lucharé aunque me cueste el alma, aunque arriesgue todo en casa es, y ella es mi vida, por siempre la amaré. El amor que duele cuando no se tiene cerca de la piel, cuando el mar en calma que de pronto arrasa con mi timidez. Yo supe que era la mujer que había esperado siempre, el amor que un día soñé, que yo por ella lucharé aunque me cueste el alma, aunque arriesgue todo en casa.
Going to Caja de los Muertos. A lot of really, really big hermit crabs here. They're so hairy. Feels like a tarantula.
Thank you much. Cheers.
Heading to Vieques. So far we've gone to Puerto Real, Boqueron, Cabo Rojo, some reef right near Margarita, but further east. Then the bioluminescent bay, Ponce, Caja de Muertos, Punta Patilla, y ahora vamos a Vieques.
That's not
Chris,
how you
move.
do it.
Oh Jesus.
So that you just bought that cup.
Good
dude.
job.
Chain plates.
Here,
Oh God.
here, I'll show you how to...
That's my boat cup. Yep. Y'all throwing around
Give me
like some old
No,
brake
let me
shoe.
show you how to climb a coconut tree. You ever climb a coconut tree?
Show me.
Okay. I need to get the sand off my feet. Give me your fruit. Oh, I got it.
What a monkey! Watch out now. Okay, we're moving. We're
Yeah, you better
moving.
move.
Give us the coconut. Woo!
First
One
one.
is down.
Could possibly be a rat up here.
I love coconuts, man. I love to eat
Here it
coconuts.
comes.
Yeah. Another one. Woo!
Two.
A bit more.
That fell almost right by my head.
No, it's not.
You can do it.
You can do it, man. Woo! No. Yep. I'm done,
Good
bro.
job.
Look at that.
Coconuts.
Yeah.
Give Kiana and Hans a call.
Maybe we could trade an engine for these.